Welcome to Matters Financial and Geopolitical, our first podcast. It's a beta test. I welcome all your support and feedback. I'd be very grateful. Overnight, Intel confirmed the more positive trend in the US markets that we saw with Goldman Sachs, and the US Dow Jones rallied sharply. And we saw that trend across the markets, with the dollar continuing to trade weaker and US bond curves playing out a steepening process. I do think, by the way, that 4% bond yields are very doable in the near term, and probably buying some put side protection on that makes a great deal of sense. The commodity markets also caught a bid off the back of a weaker dollar and the more optimistic trend in the markets, and we saw crude trade higher and touch $62. A recent report just come across the wires from Falango suggesting we might see $20. To be frank, I think that's where the risks lie. Storage is now full. Demand is significantly less than supply, but it does need something to tip it over the edge. Sugar rushed again. It's on a sugar rush. We traded up. I'm looking for $20. I think India is the definitive issue there, where we've now tipped into a supply-demand imbalance, and it's quite dramatic, and that's why sugar has been the best performing soft commodity of late. Otherwise, in emerging markets, we saw a much better tone. The Sensex was up at 4,400 last time I looked. China has gone to new highs again, and you can see in the last 6 months BRIC has really come to the fore, and I expect that trend to play out over the medium term. In Africa, we had some interesting political developments. With Kenya, of course, had the New York Times on the front page this morning in a very interesting report about the wacky envelope and the political risk. Please have a look at the site. I've actually put up a piece I wrote on Monday where I actually think the political risk is being misread and has been reduced considerably. We are told that Gabon has finally groomed Ali Ben Bongo as the replacement for his father, President Bongo, so we can look forward to another Bongo. And the frontier markets in Africa, for example, the Rand has been pretty steady at about 8.17. I'm expecting a move to 7.87 actually, but really that's become very much a dollar proxy, so let's see how that plays out. Nigerian equity markets remain considerably below 30,000 at 26,000, but frontier markets as a whole, I think, have room to outperform. This is our first podcast. We will be improving it. Please do support us. Thank you.